Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if PayPal is giving you the false country error. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this home page. From very in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go and log in. So if you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this main page, we can get started with accessing Odoo and our editor mode. Right here in the upper left corner, we're going to have the editor settings, from where we can access the configuration, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to fix the error. As you can see, somebody right here on GitHub already made a similar post about the payment Stripe PayPal error that they keep getting, that they received the false is unknown, and this is the error that keeps occurring. And here we have an answer by somebody who is going to go ahead and be more adaptable with Odoo, with more knowledge, and how they would go ahead and fix it. So what I suggest for you to do is to go to the official Odoo GitHub. So go to github.com/Odoo, open the repository and post your own thread asking for the problem, how to go ahead and fix it. As you can see, multiple fixes have been made right here. You can go ahead and take a look at them or post your own problem for somebody else to help you with your specific one, but that's your best choice. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.